Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 263 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Coming to oil seeds. In reply to a question, the Honorable Minister stated that the per hectare yield of oil seed has been fluctuating from year to year because a major proportion of the oil seeds is being grown in the rain-fed condition in arid and semi-arid areas. Unless this fluctuation is stopped, the growth tempo which we have built during the year may not be maintained. Coming to irrigation, the honorable members have mentioned how the potential has been created. It is not being utilized for the benefit of the farmer. I would elaborate it and say that by the end of 1979-80, though an irrigation potential of 56 million hectares has been created, the actual utilization in the country is very much less compared to the potential created. In spite of the shortfall in the creation of irrigation potential, its use in the country has also widened. It is mentioned in the report of the Irrigation Ministry that about 6 million hectares of irrigation potential is not being used. I would like to urge upon the government as well as the minister to look into it. We have spent large money. Unless it is used fully for the benefit of the farmers and all of us, we cannot achieve our target in food production. Similarly, we have made provisions for the Command Area Development Project to reduce the gap between the potential what has been created and what is being used. Government has created Command Area Development Project. In the report, it has been pointed out that our efforts in this direction have not been made so as to achieve the result. Unless this is done earnestly, no irrigation potential can be utilized fully and the people cannot have its benefit. The government has time and again been told that the spillover irrigation projects must be completed during the sixth five-year plan. 4 years have already passed, but no report has been made available to us. How many projects have been completed by this time, and how many spillover projects remain to be completed? The new projects have also been taken up. There are another 100 new projects during the plan. It is good that they have taken up the projects, but whatever we have taken up in the previous plan must be completed. There is escalation of cost. These should therefore be completed soon. Drinking water is not available in the coastal areas of Orissa and other states. Mr. Chairman, you also come from my state. There has not been rainfall from December last. Water level has gone down. Most of the tube wells which were in operation now remain dry. Unless some emergency steps are taken to see that drinking water is made available to the people, I am afraid the people will face many difficulties. I have also drawn the attention of the Honorable Minister regarding many tube wells lying defunct after the onset of summer.